Barricade International has developed a new firefighting gel that enables professional firefighters as well as property owners to extinguish fires and to protect buildings and other valuable assets in a way that has never before been possible.
Barricade's super absorbents act like miniature sponges, absorbing and holding large amounts of water. These wet sponges, or bubblets, layer themselves one on top of another, forming a long-lasting thermal protective gel coating. In order to penetrate this coating, the heat must boil the water out of the top layer before it can be transferred to the layer beneath. This unique thermal protective gel coating provides an amazing level of protection to structures, vehicles, fuel tanks, propane cylinders, or any object where they are exposed to the effects of a fire.
Hi, I'm John Bartlett of Barricade International, and this is my partner Bruce Hill. We'd like to thank you for your recent purchase of your Barricade Home Fire Defense System.
For the first time, you, the homeowner, have the ability to protect your home from these fierce firestorms that we've been experiencing the past couple years. We do, however, want to stress the importance of personal safety. Please never put yourself in danger while applying our product.
We've kept this introduction intentionally brief because we want to get right into the emergency procedures, the things you need to know in order to use your home fire defense system effectively and safely. After that, we'll slow down, we'll back up, and we'll take a detailed, in-depth look at the individual components, storage, and use of your home fire defense system. Wildland fires are burning in your neighborhood. You've made the decision to apply Barricade to your home prior to evacuation. First thing to do is to review the emergency instructions that come on the back of your home fire defense system. It's important to shake your Barricade container prior to use. We recommend shaking vigorously for at least 1 minute prior to inserting the Home Kit eductor.
Remove your eductor and nozzle system from its plastic container. Unscrew the threaded cap and replace it with the Barricade eductor system. Be sure to screw the unit securely onto the threaded end of the Barricade jug. The quick disconnect fitting is operated by simply pulling the circular coupling straight back. Attach the quick disconnect fitting to your standard garden hose. Be sure to set the flow valve to the off position. Now reattach the hose back onto the Barricade eductor. We recommend the use of protective eyewear while applying Barricade. Turn on your water source and make sure you remove all kinks from the hose line. To begin flowing the Barricade gel, open the flow valve on the quick disconnect. The adjustable nozzle allows for a fan pattern to a straight stream. Apply Barricade to all underside eaves or overhang areas. Apply until a visible gel coating is observed. Apply Barricade directly to windows and screens. Its adhesion qualities provide the protective layering to any surface. Be sure to coat all wooden fencing or decking on or around your property. Another important application is coating propane cylinders such as barbecue grills or larger supply tanks. Coat all surrounding shrubs that are nearby or that may be touching your home. We recommend the use of a ladder for applying Barricade to your roof. Be sure to have someone securing or spotting the ladder while you apply Barricade. At no time should you apply Barricade while standing on your roof because Barricade is very slippery when applied. Again, coat any trees or shrubbery that are overhanging or in contact with your house. Your roof application should have a thickness similar to this. The underside of overhangs should be the same. The surrounding shrubs and trees should be coated until white, and your wood fencing or decking should look like this. For cleanup, Barricade is easily removed with water. Simply spray off with your garden hose using fresh water. Barricade is environmentally friendly and there are no hazards or harmful effects associated with its use.
Your Barricade Home Fire Defense System has been specially designed by firefighters and engineers to be a very reliable emergency tool. However, in the unlikely event that you may experience problems, we want to spend a few moments here going through some very simple
troubleshooting procedures.
The most likely reason that you may be experiencing problems with your Barricade Home Fire Defense System is that there's not enough pressure coming out of the garden hose. This system requires a minimum of 30 psi in order to operate effectively. If you've ensured that you've got enough pressure coming out of the garden hose, the next step in the troubleshooting process is to clean the nozzle. Unscrew the nozzle from the eductor, and it easily unscrews into two separate parts. Rinse both of these parts with water. Put the nozzle back together, place it back on the Barricade eductor, and retest the system. The next step in the troubleshooting process actually involves taking apart the eductor assembly. With a pair of pliers, grasp the eductor right below the red portion. Unscrew the eductor and flush both portions of the assembly. To flush the red portion, you can simply reattach the garden hose, turn it on, and by blocking the nozzle, that will back flush the eductor assembly. After you've flushed out the red portion of the eductor, go ahead and flush the vacuum chamber with the garden hose. Ensure that everything is clear and reassemble the eductor. Reattach the garden hose, and again, check your Barricade Home Fire Defense System for proper operation. The final step in the troubleshooting process would involve a complete disassembly of the eductor assembly. To do that, you unscrew the eductor from the jug, making sure that you don't get any water in the open container. Remove the pickup tube from the eductor assembly and flush this tube out with the hose. Wash all these components so that they're clean and free from any gel. Also, rinse out the bottom of the eductor assembly with fresh water. Once that's done, reassemble the tube, reattach your garden hose, and check your Barricade Home Fire Defense System for proper operation.
Once again, John and I would like to thank you and congratulate you on your recent purchase of Barricade fire blocking gel. We both sincerely hope that you never need to use it.
Throughout our careers, we've too often seen the damage and the pain caused by these horrific wildland-urban interface fires. We've personally experienced the loss that people have when they lose their homes to these monsters. Man's hut has been burning in fires since the beginning of time, and now, for the first time in history, a homeowner can have a tool to take an effective action to help save his home from these wildland fires. Please be safe. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
For more information about Barricade products, please contact us at the address shown or visit our website at barricadegel.com.